Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this Ankara inspired look. Yes, so if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video without wasting much of your time. Let's get the video rolling.
One, two, three, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So I did my brows off camera and I'm using LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn as my eyeshadow base. Today's video is about a palette I got from Discount Bar. That's her name on IG. You can actually check her out. I mean, the palette is bomb and it's not expensive, so you can actually check her out. So what I'm doing is actually distributing the concealer and blending it out as well, just like so. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. So guys, this is how the palette looks like and the colors are so pigmented. Yes, I'll leave her link down the description box. You can check it out if only you are in Ghana. So the first shade, I'm concentrating it in my crease and a little bit higher like so, and I'm diffusing it as I go. Yeah, you see how pigmented the eyeshadow was. I was actually not expecting this. I was very surprised. Wow. Yes, and the shades are all pretty in the palette. Just have a look. Yes, so this is my second shade and that will be in my crease or in the socket of my eye, if that makes sense. Yes, I'll be diffusing that in my crease and I'll go back with the red shade I used earlier on to further blend to prevent any demarcation, as I always do. Yeah, so blend as if your life depends on it. So to cut my crease, I'll be using that same concealer, the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, which I got from Swanky Beauty. She's on Instagram as Swanky Beauty. Yes, so you can actually clean the base before cutting your crease, but I didn't opt for that. I actually cut my crease like this and it was beautiful. So I went back with the green shade I used to blend the outer corner of my eye like so. I mean, all the shade in the palette are bomb. Yes, they are all beautiful. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So my last shade from the palette is those two yellow shade. I mixed both and just look at it. Just have a look. I wasn't expecting this. Have a look. The palette is so beautiful. I can't wait to create more looks from it. So my eyeliner is from the same vendor and it's also bomb. Yes, bomb. So I went back with the green shade again to further blend. Blending is the key. So blend. My primer is from Ingrid Cosmetics and my foundation is from Flawless Ivy, which the undertone was crazy for me. Yes, the undertone was very crazy. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. So let's blend the foundation out. Yes, I love the coverage of the foundation, and I'm using my beauty blender from Rose. The foundation was full coverage, but there is something about it that I don't like. I don't know, but there is something. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below and click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So to highlight, I'll be using that same concealer I used earlier on. Yes, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight. And I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony to contour. So guys, to set the places where I highlighted, I'll be using my Flormar Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Brown Sand to set the places where I highlighted. So to set the places where I contour, I'll be using the Zikel Cosmetics powder palette to set, and as well as to set my entire face.